What's up guys, so this will be a short unboxing video on the Logitech G Pro Superlight 2 DEX. So this is the first G Pro mouse that is ergonomic, which basically means that it's fitted to right-handed people in this version over here. So I already had this mouse before in the pink color. I forgot what it's exactly called right now. And I had to test it back to back to the dev other. I will do a explanation for a little video about the comparison between those two mouses, but let me just tell you that from what I learned so far, this mouse is much better. So let's unbox it over here. I ordered the white color over here, as you can see. So we got light force, light speed, 60 grams, is much lighter than the dev other V3 Pro. Hero 2 sensor, 4000 Hz. You can actually upgrade this just by downloading the software, plug in the mouse. This will upgrade to 8000 Hz. Okay, zero filtering, zero smoothing, zero acceleration, zero adaptive PTFE. So these are the zero PTFE pads, which are very nice indeed. So we won't get much into detail over here. Let's start the unboxing itself. So let me just lift this up for you. This is how the mouse looks like. We will put it on the side over here, take out this little white thingy, and let's see what is actually inside over here. So what do we got? There's some papers. We don't need them really. We got a nice cover over here for the mouse that I will tell you about in a second. We got some pads. It's a little bit a boomer that they put in black pads for a white mouse, but it is what it is. The finish is not so great, not as good as on the dev other, but it's pretty smooth. The dev other is much more matte finished, and you will need those for sure. What else is in here? Some instructions, more papers. Let's throw this away. And we got the cable. So this is how the cable looks like over here. Pretty soft. You can't really play on it much, though, I think, purely for charging. And the actual receiver over here. This is how it looks like, Pro 2 DEX. And let's check out the mouse itself. This is how it looks like from the bottom. Peel off this little plastic. Oh. And I screw it up. This is how it looks like. Over here you can put in the thing for charging with your mouse pad. And you can as well replace it with that. I don't really see why you would do that. Just running it without it or running with the original one is the best option. I think you can turn it on. This is the indication light. Let's do a little sound test. So what I can tell you straight away, that those two buttons feel pretty raw. They are kind of like rubbery feeling. So when you have your headphones on, you cannot really tell whenever you press it or not. But this is a minor issue over here. This is how the mouse looks like. This is how everything is inside the box looks like. Of course, without the papers, but we don't want to see. We are not here for the papers, okay? So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.